Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome back. This is a short video about Japanese pronunciation. Nowadays, I have been watching many Japanese learning videos made by non-native Japanese speakers. And I'm really amazed to watch them because there are many excellent Japanese speakers. But I've noticed that they have some same tendency which is not so good and they didn't notice it. Like that. Please don't link together a vowel which ends one word with a vowel which starts the next word in expressions. At first, I'll read good examples, and then I'll read bad examples. この音、この音。私のおじさん、私のおじさん。黒い石、黒い石。すごくうまい、すごくうまい。今、朝、今朝。Many non-native Japanese speakers pronounce it like その音、いい人、今さ。It's okay. But when they speak fast, その音、いい人、今さ。They are not good. I mean, these words need 4 mora, but it's very easily to slip to 3 mora. We can understand what they say because we have the context, but we should be careful. So, try to make a break between 2 vowels. Try to make a pause between 2 words. この音、私のおじさん、黒い石、すごくうまい、今、朝。First version. この音、私のおじさん、黒い石、すごくうまい、今朝。この音、私のおじさん、黒い石、すごくうまい、今朝。Very accurately speaking, Japanese people have a tendency to cut our breath before pronouncing vowels, especially when it's on the top of the word. I mean, 明日、朝、青。明日、朝、青ね。The we pronounce, cut our breath in あ。明日、朝、青。That way. We don't say 明日、朝、青。We don't say that. We say 明日、朝、青。I can't say please copy the Japanese style because it's not good for your throat. よくないです。This is bad mannerism for Japanese people because many non-native speakers have a big voice and big breath. So if you cut here, it's really bad for your throat. Japanese speaks very small voice, so it's okay. So I say just make a break between 2 vowels, especially when kind of like compound words. That's all for today. Nowadays, I'm trying to improve my English by Elsa Speak or other app. 頑張りますね。どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!